Hello, this is Eli from SafeNet. This presentation is about the LDK overview. What is an LDK in terms of components? How does it work all together? So I would divide it into two sections. One is the end user machine. You see it over here in pink. And the other side is the vendor machine, the software vendor machine, where the vendor prepare everything that he wants in order to make the licenses and to use the LDK. So let's start at the end. The end user machine eventually will have not the original customer application. Instead, he will have a protected application. So it's not the very same executable or DLL or whatever inside the application. Instead, the vendor would be using a protection tools that I will speak about them in another session. And using these protection tools, he will get a new version of this executable or DLL, which they are protected. What does it mean protected? It means that first of all, they will work only with a license. If there's no license, they will not work. And in addition, as we said in another sessions, that this protected application will also conceal the intellectual properties because it will be encrypted, and there are other manipulations inside this executable or DLL that will not allow any cracker to crack or understand what is going on inside. So this is a protected application. On the end user machine, in addition to this protected application, obviously, in order to be able to work, there is going to be a protection key connected to this machine. Now, when we are talking about protection key, it might be either Sentinel HL key, which is a dongle to be connected into the USB of the machine, or there might be an SL key, which is a specific key which resides inside the hard disk partitions, inside partitions. So either one, it is going to be working only with the protected application. If there is no protection key, the protected application will not work. So this makes sure that the end user machine will work with the protection environment only. Now, for the protection key, in order to make all the licenses here, what can the protected application do or not, for how long, all this kind of mechanism is being handled by a component, I call it a license management. This component can burn licenses inside the protection key, but this component, license management, can also send updates for the license remotely, meaning that even if this protected key still is connected to the end user machine, still I'm as a vendor of the application, still I can send updates for the license. So this protected key will be updated with the new licenses. So all the news about it and more specification and description will be on other sessions, but this is the overview of how LDK works and what are the components that it consists of. Thank you for watching.